Welcome. This lesson is a very quick, simple, and hopefully easy lesson. Up to this point, we've been solving systems of equations to find where two lines, two linear equations, where they intersect, that x and y value where two lines intersect. But do they always need to intersect? Can they intersect more than once? The answer to that question is no, they don't always need to intersect, and it is possible for them to intersect more than once. But if they do intersect more than once, they intersect infinitely many times, because there's only three possibilities if they are linear equations. So again, we are talking linear systems, which means they're straight lines. So the first scenario that you've been dealing with is when they cross. We get one solution. One solution if they are not parallel. And now that's the key to what the other two possible scenarios are, because the other two possible scenarios are as if the two lines happen to be parallel, and I didn't do very well there, parallel, they're parallel, they never cross, and so there is no solution. The last scenario is if we have one line and then in a completely different color, I draw the second line and it happens to end up being the same line. So again, what I'm trying to emphasize is that I'm putting one line right on top of the other line. If the two equations happen to graph the same line, so in other words, it's the exact same equation, maybe just in a different form, then it has infinite solutions, because every single point on the line is a solution. Not that necessarily any point is a solution, but all points that are solves one equation will solve the other equation because they're actually the same equation. If you have any questions, please bring them to class.